3 years ago, there was a young boy named Daniel. Daniel had big dreams. He didn't want to live an ordinary life. He wanted freedom, financial freedom. One evening, while scrolling through his phone, he came across a video. The video showed a trader sitting in front of multiple screens. Numbers were moving, charts were forming, and in just a few minutes, the trader made hundreds of dollars. Daniel's eyes widened. People actually make money like this, he whispered to himself. That was the day Daniel discovered Forex trading. From that moment, he became obsessed. Every day after school, he would watch YouTube videos about trading. He joined Telegram groups, downloaded indicators, and followed traders on Instagram who showed screenshots of massive profits. Daniel believed he had found his path, but there was just one problem. Daniel thought the secret to success in Forex was finding the perfect strategy, the so-called Holy Grail. And so, his journey began. Daniel started with a strategy that used 5 indicators: moving averages, RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands. His chart looked like a Christmas tree. The strategy promised 90% accuracy. For the first few days, things looked promising. Then, the losses started coming. Daniel panicked. This strategy must be bad, he said, so he abandoned it. Next, Daniel found a price action strategy. No indicators needed, the mentor said confidently. This is how banks trade. Daniel became excited again. He practiced for a few weeks. Then a few losses happened, and once again Daniel said, "This strategy doesn't work." He left it. Then came supply and demand. After that came ICT Concepts. Every few weeks Daniel changed strategies. Every loss made him believe the strategy was the problem. But 3 years passed, 3 long years, and Daniel was still not profitable. He had learned many strategies but mastered none. He had analyzed many charts but understood none deeply. His confidence slowly started to fade. One evening he sat quietly staring at his screen. He looked at all the indicators he had downloaded, all the strategies he had tried, all the screenshots of losses, and he asked himself a painful question. Why are other traders profitable, but not me? A few days later, Daniel watched a video from an experienced trader. The trader said something that hit him deeply. Most traders fail not because their strategy is bad, but because they never stay with one strategy long enough to master it. Daniel paused the video. He replayed that sentence again and again. Then the trader continued. You don't need 10 strategies. You need one strategy, mastered over hundreds of trades. And then he said something else. And stop trading every pair you see. Pick 2 or 3 pairs and learn how they move. That night, Daniel made a decision. No more strategy hopping. No more chasing the Holy Grail. Daniel chose one simple strategy. It wasn't fancy. No complicated indicators. Just market structure, support and resistance, and patience. Then he did something different. He chose only 3 trading pairs: USD, JPY, GBP, USD, BTC, USD. Every single day he studied how those pairs moved. He marked support and resistance. He watched how price reacted. He backtested his strategy. He journaled every trade, loss or win. He recorded everything. Weeks passed, then months. Something interesting started happening. Daniel began noticing patterns. He could now predict how price behaved around certain levels. His entries became cleaner. His stop losses became smarter. And slowly, his win rate started increasing. Then one day, Daniel checked his trading journal. He realized something shocking. For the first time in 3 years, he had finished the month in profit, not by luck, not by gambling, but by consistency. Daniel smiled. It wasn't a huge amount of money, but it meant something bigger. It meant he had finally figured out the truth. The problem was never the strategy. The problem was his lack of consistency. Many traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy. They jump from one mentor to another, from one indicator to another, from one trading style to another. But the truth is simple. Success in trading does not come from finding many strategies. It comes from mastering one. And sometimes the edge isn't in complexity, it's in simplicity and discipline. Daniel didn't become profitable because he found the Holy Grail. He became profitable because he stopped looking for it. If you are a trader watching this story right now, ask yourself this question: are you mastering a strategy, or are you still chasing the next shiny one? Because the difference between struggling traders and profitable traders is often just one thing: consistency.